Hey guys, Brandon Sanchez here. And what this video is going to be about, it's going to be about CPA marketing for beginners. Okay, how to make $100 a day to $10,000 a day with CPA marketing. Okay, so please guys stick around to the end of the video because you guys are going to get the right starter strategy into making CPA marketing working for you. Okay, and this is for the absolute beginner level. So if you're a little bit more advanced, still stick around because the strategy that I lay out is the strategy that I and my team use to consistently launch profitable campaigns. Okay, so stick around to the end, guys. You guys are gonna get a lot of value from this. Okay, so first let's talk about affiliate marketing and CPA marketing. Okay, what's the difference? To be honest, guys, they're basically the same exact thing, but CPA marketing is more of a performance based, right? Affiliate marketing is a general term, right? So basically, affiliate marketing is more of a general term for promoting someone else's product offer for a commission. Okay, CPA marketing is the same idea but more performance based, like I just said. So the CPA stands for cost per acquisition. So to make CPA marketing work, you get the payout of the product offer and generate conversions for less than what the payout is to become profitable. So basically, let's say you're promoting a diet offer, right? And it's a $50 payout, right? In order for you to make CPA marketing work, you want to generate a conversion with $25, right? So if it's a $50 payout and it costs you $25 to make a conversion, well, you're just profiting $25. Okay, this is where actually I started out from. Okay, so this is how I actually got started. It's how I learned and mastered paid traffic, which is why I'm teaching you it, because it's an important skill to making money on the internet. Not only just with CPA marketing, but in general, right? Generating leads, right? Marketing your own business, marketing your own, your own skill, your profession. It doesn't matter, guys. CPA marketing is what started it for me, and it's a really great skill to understand how to actually use the traffic source, generate really great results, and generate a lot of money. Okay, so stick around, guys. We're gonna get more into it on how to actually make $100 a day to $10,000 a day with CPA marketing. Okay. So now that we know the difference between affiliate marketing and CPA marketing, which again, it's basically the same thing, let's discuss how to make money with it. This is going to be more of like a step-by-step breakdown. I'm going to give you guys more of the outer shell. Otherwise, we would be here for an hour. And don't worry, guys, I actually have a full course coming out explaining things all in full detail on how to do things from A to Z. Okay, so no worries. Number one, you want to get an offer from an affiliate network. Okay, an affiliate network is basically a place that has the affiliate offers you intend to run. The best affiliate networks, in my opinion, are the ones that are going to be the ones that have been around for years. Okay, places like A4D, right? ClickBooth, W4, Oasis Ads, Jumbleberry. You have Mundo Media. These are all really solid affiliate networks. And if you're more of a newbie affiliate, I'm going to be honest with you guys, it might be a little difficult for you guys to get accepted, but don't worry about that. If you guys are having issues with that, just please contact me. I have an affiliate manager for each and every single one of them. These networks. So if you guys wanted to get in, just contact me. I'll help you guys get in. Okay, that's one of the biggest benefits of working with me. I have a lot of connections. Okay. So two, once you're accepted into the networks, you will be assigned an affiliate manager. Ask them for the top offers they see running on the traffic source you intend to run. Okay, this is huge, guys. When you're first starting out, you don't want to be launching offers on different traffic sources, okay? Because each traffic source is its own ball game. Okay, like Taboola, Facebook, REVCONTENT, Google Display, they're all completely different sources. And if you try to launch offers on 3 different sources at one time, you are going to bleed money. It's going to be a nightmare. Let's not do that. Okay, one of the key points of being successful in this business is launching on one traffic source and sticking with it until you make it work. Because if you're able to know a traffic source, the ins and outs of it, that's going to give you a far more advantage than the other guy, because the other guy is going from Taboola, Rev, Google, Facebook. He's going everywhere and he's not really making progress on one. Do you follow me? So whatever traffic source you intend to run, stick with it until you master it. Okay, I don't like all these other guys that are like trying to tell people to run on 10 different traffic sources. To me, that's That's BS, man. And I don't want you guys to do that. Focus on one, master it until you make it work. Because the more you know about a traffic source, the better it can be for you in the future when it comes to optimizing, split testing, and scaling the offer. Okay. So in this example, let's just use REVCONTENT, okay? Because I have a course coming out for it, and this video will aid that course, okay? So once your affiliate manager tells you the offers, you want to verify what they say with the spy tool. Okay, a great spy tool I would recommend would be at Plexity for Native, okay? If and when you verify those offers on Plexity, you want to get your affiliate links from your affiliate manager. Okay, choose 3 different offers. Never run only one. Running only one is kind of like suicide, okay? Because it's kind of like putting all your eggs in one basket. You never want to do that. So in the beginning, the way I like to teach, right? And honestly, I cannot take credit for this I guess strategy, because it's something I learned from forums, right? So never only run one, okay? Run 3 different offers at the same exact time, okay? Once you've found 3 different offers, you want to verify them on Plexity. And if you verified it on Plexity, that's a really great sign that the offer works. Okay, so once that's done, you want to set up the campaigns in your tracker. Okay, I'd recommend Thrive if you're new. Volume is preferred, in my opinion, but it may be a bit too expensive for you guys, okay? Doesn't matter. At the end of the day, they all do the same exact thing. So 5, download 3 different creatives. Okay, so in your spy tool, when you're looking for these offers and you find them, you want to download the 3 different creatives you see your competitors using, right? And when I say 3 different creatives, I mean 3 different headlines and 3 different images. Okay, guys, so let's just pause right here. The number one variable in having a profitable campaign is going to be your offer. Okay, I don't care if you're the best marketer in the world. If your offer sucks, you are not going to make that thing profitable, okay? The second thing that is most important is going to be your angle, okay? The angle is going to determine the highest return on investment for your campaign. That's why in the beginning, I strongly advise for you to test 3 different headlines, right? The headlines are going to be like different angle. It's just a different angle that you're going into the market with, okay? And you need to test different angles. If you have the same headline with a good offer, it'll still work because the offer is good. But if you guys wanted to get that boost of ROI, right, meaning more conversions, more sales, having a strong angle is what's going to get you there, okay? Let's just make that clear. Okay, so 3 different headlines and 3 different images, okay? And then once you get those, you want to find the most generic landing page you see running on your spy tool, right? Download the page, okay? Now, once that's done, do this for all 3 of your offers, okay? So in the end, it will look like this. You're going to have 3 different ads. So you can see ad 1, the generic landing page, offer A, right? You have ad 2, different image, different headline, same landing page, same offer, right? Ad 3, same thing, okay? And you want to do the same exact thing for offer A, B, and C. Okay, it's all the same exact setup. Okay, at the end of that, we just want to see what offer performs the best. So once that's ready to go, with your tracking link set up properly and campaign set up in REVCONTENT, it's time to launch. Okay, spend at least 1 times the offer payout for each campaign per day for 3 days. Okay, so again, this is CPA marketing, right? Cost per acquisition. So in order for us to really analyze the data, we want to have benchmarks on how we optimize our campaigns, right? How do we get significant data that proves that a certain campaign is going to work, right? That's where we have these rules, right? So for example, I'm saying to spend at least 1 times the offer payout for each campaign for 3 days. Okay, so at the end of it, you're basically going to be spending about $100 each for each campaign to see which one performs the best. Okay, at the end of those 3 days, whatever offer performs the best, that's the offer you want to run. We basically want to find the campaign that has the path to least resistance. Okay, because if you try to optimize the other campaigns that are not converting as well, it's going to be harder for you. So that's why we want to run 3 different offers the same time. That way, when we find the one that performs the best, it's a lot easier to optimize it, split test it, and scale it further on down the road. Okay, does that make sense? So then it comes down to optimization, split testing, and scaling. Okay, each one of these, I guess, skills. It's something that you're going to have to learn over time. Okay, and again, I don't want this video to be an hour long. I kind of wanted to give you guys the outer shell of it, but this is the strategy you want to learn. Okay, and to be honest, guys, the truth, most likely every campaign you launch in the beginning will lose money. So let's get that out of the question, right? It's gonna happen. It's very, very rare you're gonna get that unicorn that you launch it and it just makes you money. It's very, very rare. So I'm not gonna tell you guys that's what's gonna happen, because most likely it's gonna be losing money. But hey, that's great. That's great. That's what you want, right? A typical winning campaign is gonna be between minus 60% and minus 40% and getting close to break even. It's going to be between minus 60% and break even. Those are typically a normal campaign. Okay. It's your job as the marketer, excuse me, to be able to know how to optimize, split test, and scale to turn it into a profitable 5-figure per day monster. Okay, guys. So again, it's going to be losing money in the beginning. It's your job to learn how to optimize, split test, and scale it. Okay, because that's what separates the successful affiliates from the newbie affiliates. It's the optimization, it's the split testing, it's the scaling, right? And again, going back to what I said about the traffic source, it's about knowing the traffic source, because if you know how to use a traffic source like your right hand, optimizing, split testing, and scaling is going to be that much easier, guys. So it's very important that you master the traffic source, you master an optimization process, your split test process, and your scaling process, because that's what's going to make you guys successful. Okay, now this video is about how to make $100 a day to 5 figures a day. Okay, 5 figures is a really big promise. Okay, but if you guys are able to master the traffic source, optimization, split testing, and scaling, it's very, very achievable, guys. Okay. Now, I know I went through everything really quickly, and again, it's more of an outer shell of the process. But if this is something that sounds interesting to you, I have a full REVCONTENT course coming out explaining in full detail how to do this stuff. Okay, I will have a link to the course in the description below. Okay, guys, so by the time you guys see this, most likely the course will be out. And then you guys can just check in the description, get access to the course. And this is not just a course where I lay everything out step by step. Everybody does that. What's different with this course is when you guys have questions, right? When you guys don't know how to set up your tracker, you guys have questions about, optimizing, split testing, whatever, you guys are going to have full access to me, basically 24/7 via Skype, Facebook Messenger, and I'll basically be coaching you along the way with the course, right? So I'm here to help you guys succeed, because I understand, because what you guys have to understand is that every campaign that you launch is going to be different, right? You guys are all going to have a different campaign, a different offer, a different strategy, etc., right? And I want to make sure that if you guys do get my course, when you guys get my course, that I'm going to be able to personally guide you along the way. That's the difference between me and somebody else, right? Other people just want you to buy it, do the course, and they don't care if you succeed. I care. Okay, that's why I'm going to be helping you guys out one-on-one. Okay, guys, so that's basically all I have for you guys today. Okay, if you guys are new to my channel, please like the video, comment your biggest struggle that you have with your business, or if you just like the video, just comment something nice about the video, right? And please, guys, subscribe, share this video with somebody else that might interested in learning how to do CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, etc. And feel free to browse my channel. I do a lot about these type of topics, so feel free to browse and subscribe to my channel. Okay, guys, once again, guys, this is Brandon Sanchez signing out.